What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show, continuing here in West Wichita today with our friends from Wichita Home Works. Today we're with Nate, of course. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for coming out. It's demo day.
Yes, you guys just started this yesterday. It's kind of crazy how much can happen in just one day, but you're having pretty much a first floor, main floor remodel here.
Yeah, so we've got a kitchen behind us, so cabinets, backsplash, countertops. We'll do some new flooring in here in the living and dining area. We're gonna get a fresh coat of paint on, and then off there we also have a master bath remodel that we're doing at the same time. So customers taking care of the whole thing all at once.
Yeah, do you see that typically?
We see a little bit of both. So what we see is if they're able to move into their basement and they can stand it for just long enough for us to get done, then this is a great option because we get to get all of it done at the exact same time. But we've also done it in phases to make sure that life can still go on for them, and we try to not interrupt things as much as possible.
Yeah, I feel like recently when I've been with you, Nate, we've done a lot of outside projects that you guys have been working on, but throughout the year you guys do inside and outside. It really doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, we stay busy with a wide range of things, and that's one of our big things is we want to be able to provide all of those services to our customers. So that way we can keep more things under one roof. They can make we can be their one contact no matter what the project is.
Yeah, and Nate, I know something like this may be overwhelming for a homeowner. You have a lot of different things to choose from, but like you said, having that one contact that they're with the entire time, that's really got to help.
Yeah, so it definitely changes hands. We usually have 3 different people involved in it throughout the process, but it's always one person, and we make it very clear to our customers who their go-to contact is for anything that they need. We're always there to answer questions, and obviously we've done this before, so we'll walk them through it. Nothing to be worried about. We're professionals with it. So.
Exactly. If people have a question, they know exactly who they need to call. And obviously, if they're living in the home, they're seeing certain things that may freak them out a little bit, but you guys are going to be like, no, I promise the vision is still there. How can people find more information?
Yep, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
All right, Nate, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, well, more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.
If you would like your business highlighted on Good Day Kansas, contact us at gooddaykansas@ksn.com.